Showing everyone how you do your makeup. So beautiful. Oh, thanks. Use your eyeshadow brushes, okay? Show 'em. Good job. So pretty. Yeah. You gonna tell them what product you're using? Oh, you just wanted to... Did we just dig our finger into the eyeshadow? Yeah. Oh boy. It's okay. Do you need a makeup wipe? Yeah. You're gonna be a pro in no time. You're for sure a boy, aren't you? Can you dip your brush? Where's your... Oh boy. Okay. Get your brush and dip your brush in.
Yeah.
Good job.
Yeah. Yes.
Yeah. Look how you're sitting, dude. You zoning out? Dang, dude, you have the life. You chilling, doing your makeup. Okay. Did someone poop? Huh? No, you didn't poop. You just stinky. Are you getting into mommy's makeup? Are you gonna show him some stuff? Yeah. So he did his own eyeshadow. It's on his cheek. Are you a natural in front of the camera? Baba,
Yeah.
look at the camera. Can you say hi? You look so much like your mom. You look so much like me when I was little. Yeah? Hold on. You telling him you're being a handful today? Yeah? Like every day mommy has you pretty much? What else are you going to talk to him about? Huh? Yeah? What's that? Tell him something. Talk to him, bub. Yeah, what's that? Huh? What is that? Some eyeshadow? Ooh, you gonna put some on? Show him how you... Oh, beautiful. Yeah. You look great, dude. Oh, good job. Okay, let's not dig our fingers in it, okay? It's okay to press. Good job, lightly. Yeah. On your cheeks. Here, do you want to use a brush to blend it in? Use a brush. Okay. Good job. Now put it on. There we go. You are so good at that, dude. You gonna shut that? Good job. Yeah. And if you guys were wondering what palette that was, see, that was the, you want to show them what palette it was? Here, show like this. Okay. Hold it up. It's the Thrive Cosmetics palette. Very, very cute. Huh? Yeah. Oh boy. Okay. Oh boy. It ain't gonna harm you. I never use this palette anyway, so. Can you show me what your cheek looks like? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Can you rub it in? You gotta use your brush. Handsome. Say, I'm handsome.
Yeah.
Yeah. Do you love Mama?
Yeah.
Yeah. You love Mama? Yeah? You want me to open it? See how frustrated this boy gets? He drives me crazy sometimes, but I love him so much.
Yeah, good.
Uh-huh. Yeah. Say, okay, we're going to end this tutorial. That was it. That's how he feels. Yeah. If you guys want to see more from him, then let me know down below. Hit that like button and subscribe. Yeah. Say bye-bye. This dude likes to talk with his tongue. Uh-huh. Yeah. Yeah. Do you want to do a giveaway in this video? Yeah? What do you want to give away? Do you want to give this away?